Hello, welcome to my channel. Before we continue, what if I tell you that without a law degree, without degree of any kind, you can become a successful freelancer on the internet and still make cool money from it? What if I tell you you can become a freelancer even when you don't have skills at all? This is possible, okay? All you need is one, consistency, good service delivery, and consistency. Alright? These are the three things you need to be successful, even with zero experience in freelancing, even with no trade-related skills, even without a degree, okay? So in this video, I am going to share with you some simple freelancing jobs that you can be offering, okay, for cash. Now, looking at this screen, you can see a simple task like converting PDF file to Word. Does it occur to you that among 2 billion people on earth, only few know how to do this? Okay, and billions, or let me say millions of people that are out there looking for these solutions are numerous, and the people offering these services are limited. Okay, now look at this service here. This first advert here has 1,165 orders, okay, at a rate of $5. Let's say it's $5. Okay, let's say it's $5 because this person can charge up to $15 per service. All right, here she will convert up to 200 pages of PDF to Word, and the $10 one she can convert 120 pages to PDF to Word, and $5 50 pages. So let's say it's from $5 she's giving. When you multiply $5 times 20, $5 times 1,165, 5 times 1,165, she had made a whopping sum of $5,825. all right, when you convert this to naira, imagine you making 4 million naira, guys. And this service is a simple service that you can do it whether you have a degree or not. This is a service that you can do whether you're computer literate or not. Okay, so that's why you need to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to review a website, okay, where you can actually get access to these services for free. Numerous services apart from this conversion. Okay, there are numerous services that you can do, all right, in order to make money. Services like background removal, when you professionally remove a background from an image. All right, look at this guy too. He has his own services starts from $10. 1,294 services rendered already. Look at the second guy on the list, 631 orders. Look at this third one. Okay, so as simple as this, all these simple services that you can get for free, because I'm going to reveal to you a website where you can get all these services for free. All right, so all you have to do, you come back to this site, register, activate your account for free, then you create your own advertisement, okay, and start sharing it on social media. Share it wherever you can, and again, the platform will help you advertise on the platform, because they have millions and millions of people looking for services like yours. Okay, so follow me to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to receive any update like this. Okay, so let me take you to the website where you can get numerous services, okay, that you can come back to this website and sell any service of your choice. Okay, you don't need to have any prior knowledge on that. Okay, with zero experience, you are becoming you are already a freelancer. You have the right to earn online. Okay, so with consistency and research, okay, make sure you research more. Don't depend on what I'm giving you here alone. Research more on it, on how to make it better. Okay, read more on these services that I'm going to share with you. Read more on this money making stage that I'm sharing with you, okay, so that you have deeper understanding. I'm just giving you a clue. Okay, so if it is working for me and other people, it will surely work for you. All right, so stay with me to the end of this video and make sure you give me a thumbs up, okay, so you're watching this. Here on this website, as you can see, there are numerous services, okay, from PDF tools. All right, here is all form of services on PDF, okay, Word to PDF, you see, and everything here is totally free. Look at it here at the top. It says 100% free, no hourly limit and no restrictions. All right, so you can come over to this site, you browse any services of your choice. Okay, now not just of your choice, you have to make research on the best niche. Okay, the best services that you think, all right, is booming online. You can ask Google that question. Okay, the best niche you can offer as a freelancer. Now when you discover the niche that you are interested in among the list of the hottest niche, all right, you come down to this site, you look for the services. Okay, you look for the services, you try it out. Okay, you try it out. Let's say for instance, you want to choose a image niche. Okay, like remove background of an image. You can come over here, let's try this one out and see how it works. You first of all try it out, okay, so that you should know what you are selling out to people on the other platform that I'm going to share with you. Okay, so now we are about to remove the background of a picture. Okay, please stop looking at my pictures, it can be crazy at times. Let's look for a clearer picture. Okay, let's take for instance this picture. You want to remove the background. All you have to do is follow what I'm doing. Okay, you upload the picture as they instructed. All right, you can even add color to the background. When you remove the background, you add color, but this one we're focusing on removing just the background and sending it to your client as PNG. All right, so this is how you'll be making your $5. You click on remove. All right, you solve this captcha by checking the box and you wait for it to proceed. It's processing your picture. So this is basically what everybody can do, anybody, as long as you have access to the internet. Now look at it, the background is off. All right, you can send to another tool, you can download. All right, download to device, your picture is downloaded and here it comes without a background. Okay, without a background. So this, look at the smooth cutting of the edge. All right, so with this service you can be sure of giving this service on the other website. Okay, come over here, register with the link in my description box. All right, and browse this same services. There are people that are offering these services. Okay, so look for the person that have highest number of orders, because they have good presentation. Okay, from the presentation of text, the description and all that. So you copy everything. Okay, copy it, rephrase it to your own, and boom, you are ready to go. All right, you are ready to go. And you can see this $10 version, just one white or transparent images, one, two, then this $15 two, and this $20 four. All right, only God knows how much this guy is making from $10. How many orders he has solved? 1,200, and that is about $10,000 he had gained from this. All right, so all you need to get this started is a smartphone. Okay, a phone that you can download the app when you register. Then this other site, I don't think they have an app, you will just have access to their website. The link is still on the description box. Okay, so go to this site, go to this website. All right, and look at all their services. Look at all these services, PDF tools. If you're interested in web tools, okay, giving freelance services in web related stuffs, you choose web. All right, if you're interested in video tools, there are video services that you can render, Facebook download, compressed video, lessen the file size of a video, you know, video to GIF, Instagram download, TikTok video download, video trim, all these services, resize video. Okay, let's try a service, a video service, whether it's there on the other website where you'll be selling the service. Let's see a resize video. All right, resize video, resize video. Let's go. Good. Crop or resize your videos for any platform. Look at it, crop, resize. So virtually whatever service you are thinking about is already here, and people are looking for all these services. All right, sharpen, restore, resize, enhance, or what, you can see orders 20, 11, 8. This is a less competitive niche, all right, of which if you start now, you will make a lot from it. Okay, you will make a lot, and provided you give good service and people will start recommending you, all right, you will make a whole lot of money resizing people's video. All right, so let's browse the other niche and see video tool, we have same image tools, converter tools, PDF editor, edit and annotate PDFs free without sign up. Look at all this for free. Remove background and all that. Okay, all these ones are converter services. Okay, so let's see PDF editor on here. Edit PDF. Look at them. To edit PDF professionally, feasibly PDF forms. Okay, now look at edit any file in Photoshop, including PDF. All right, edit any documents. Yeah, look at it. Look at it. 50 orders already. Edit, rearrange PDF, will make your form. You know, all this. There is no service you can think of that is not on this platform. Okay, all you have to do is create your own. It's like you are creating your own office. Okay, it's like you going to a plaza, you book a shop, you create your own office, and you start inviting customers. Okay, this is virtually the same thing. Okay, so instead of you trying other means, why don't you try this? Because it's making a hell of the money for many people out there. All right, so all you need, as I earlier said, is consistency. Okay, just click the link in my description box, register yourself, and choose the services you want to render. Okay, from this free website. Okay, the website is still in my description box. Okay, the website is called tinywow. .com, and the place you are going to sell the services is called Fiverr.com. It's a well-known freelance community where you can buy any services you want. Okay, if you are a YouTuber, you want somebody that can manage your YouTube account and help you monetize it, you can go there and hire a marketer. If you are a Facebook guy, you want to promote your Facebook post, you can go there, hire, you know, whatever you think. If you want a cover song for your music, okay, you can go there. A white man, you can hire a white man, a white lady to do a cover of your music. Anything you can think of, anything, any services you think of, you can get it there. Okay, so when you create your account, you automatically become a member of that community. You can hire and also get hired. Okay, so you create your own gig for other people to hire you too. And if you have any need that you want help, okay, you can equally search for that need and you will get somebody that will help you solve that need for a token. All right, so that is all about this website. So on the tinywow website, you are free to choose any services that you want. Okay, choose a credible service that will sell for you on Fiverr. All right, so it's my prayers that all of you listening to me will equally start making money from these websites. Okay, whether you are a degree graduate or not, whether you're a school dropout, whoever, whether you have knowledge on freelancing or you are skilled in or no, all right, you have the opportunity here to make money. All right, that is the soft landing that the internet has brought in this generation. Whether you go to school or not, once you have your hands on this kind of information, you are good to go. All you need to do is take action now. Let's do tomorrow. Take action now. Create your account. Verify your account. It's free of charge. Okay, then start creating your gig. All right, I will make a video on how you can create a gig. All right, a befitting gig that will sell. Okay, so keep your hands across. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and look out for the next video that I will be posting. All right, so the service you'll be giving on Fiverr is called gig. So get ready for the next video. I'm going to show you how you can create a winning gig on Fiverr and start making sales of your services. All right, so see you there. Thanks for watching and bye for now.